All right, guys, definitely gonna be doing more videos from here on, so definitely click the shares, hit the likes, and follow. I got something new today. Now this is an unboxing video only, so it's gonna be a pretty short video on this one, but bam, I got this one. I got the silver because silver, you know, I like the shiny stuff. I don't like the dull stuff. So here we go. This is that's an unboxing. That's it, guys. So here we go. There she is. Man, look how shiny she is too. Look at that. I'm a big fan of silver because she shines so pretty. Look at that. So if you guys are wondering, the edges does not shine. It's a little bit like a matte finish, but these buttons is shiny right there. The buttons shine, but this is like a matte finish. So if you guys thinking the whole thing's gonna be this is shiny, it's not. This the sides right here is like a matte finish. But this is this unboxing of it right here. Put this on the side, and then this also came in the box. It's weird how it comes now. I don't know if I can get it out of the box. And of course, it comes with your basics. I'm gonna need all this anyway because I'm throwing the box away. So you got your basic speed charger. So this charger definitely charges faster, and it is smaller than the maybe the 4, smaller than the Active 4 watch. And then of course it comes with basic information. It's really basic, not much of anything, but you know, it's just a watch. But this is just only a real short video for the unboxing. The video I'm making after this is gonna have a whole bunch of cool stuffs added onto it. So definitely keep watching my channel. I'm gonna make one right after I post this one. My crappy internet, trust me, it's probably gonna be like, who knows how long it's gonna take this to upload this short video. Again, this is for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic LTE version, and definitely look at that. Oh, it's a rotating bezel too, by the way. So it's rotating bezel, and I'll do the comparison and stuff like that too for you guys to see it. I'm just trying to hide because I don't want to be in the video, so you know how that goes. Okay, this will be this one. There we go. So this is the 4, the 5, and this is the 6. And I'm doing a tutorial on how I got all these cool watch bands, faces, and all that to make it look cool, as you can see. I'm definitely doing a full tutorial on that. It's real step-by-step detailed on it. Pricing, availability. Again, it's just US pricing because I'm in the US, so US pricing might be different if you're not in the US. But it's going to be on my next video right after I post this one. All right, so this one for the unboxing, that is about it. And yeah, I got a new setup if you guys are wondering. I decided I made a whole new setup. I'm also going to post that too. I got a whole new desk and everything. I decided to use this stuff. Basically, it's supposed to be for dishes. It's supposed to be to dry your dishes or utensils when you put it in a drawer and all that kind of stuff. But these watches, electronics, and all that have glass, plastic, and every time I put them on something hard, it just does like a little hairline scratch on it, whatever. So I was thinking, hey, I'm gonna make my whole desk in this. So my desk is 8 feet long. I'm definitely showing that too. And I padded it with all this stuff because it's cool. You just drop your electronics on it, boom, no scratch, no nothing. I really like how it looks too, but again, it's not about that right now. Sorry, I went off, but yeah. So this is it right here. We're gonna go in detail in it right after this video. So let me know what you guys think about it. It's a good watch. I like it. Go in detail next video.